Hey there, if you're getting ready to start the home buying process, you should be very familiar with what exactly is an earnest money deposit. Today, I'm going to go over all the details, everything you need to know about it. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Yvette Acevedo. I'm a real estate agent with Earnest Real Estate in Philadelphia, and I also serve Bucks and Montgomery counties. If you're looking for guidance in your real estate journey, whether that's buying or selling, reach out to me. I have a very convenient calendar link where you can schedule a time that works best for you. Okay, so let's get to it and find out what is an earnest money deposit. Earnest money, good faith, or escrow deposit are terms that are used interchangeably. They pretty much mean the same thing. They're deposits that show the seller that you are very serious about buying their property. It's going to be the very first check you cut within a few days of your offer being accepted, so these funds are going to be due right away. When your offer is accepted, your realtor should send you an email with all of the important dates and deadlines, including when your escrow is due, who it should be made out to, and where to send it. The amount of your escrow deposit will vary. It's usually somewhere between 1% and 3% of the offer price. Your agent can suggest how much to put down based on the market that you're looking to purchase in. If it's a seller's market, making a larger deposit can be the easiest way to help your offer stand out in a multiple offer situation. And in a buyer's market, making a lower deposit probably wouldn't have too much of an influence on your offer. There's no predetermined standard amount, so the buyer can deposit however much they're comfortable with, but if it's too low, the seller can come back and request a larger deposit, so it's negotiable. Or they could simply reject your offer altogether or ignore it. Your realtor should be able to offer you guidance regarding how much would be a reasonable amount based on the market that you're looking to purchase in. This deposit is held in a third-party escrow account, either by a real estate brokerage, title company, or real estate attorney, and is released as a credit towards the settlement fees at the closing table. When your offer is accepted, the seller is going to remove the property off the market, so they're not going to make it available to anyone else. The deposit shows good faith that you're going to actively do what you need to get done to purchase the property. It shows that you have skin in the game, because if you default on the agreement, the seller can keep your deposit. Your realtor should go over the various types of contingencies you can have within your offer, so you'll have an opportunity to cancel the contract and get your money back if certain terms aren't met. There are different types of contingencies based on the type of property you're getting or the terms of your offer. But the three most commonly used contingencies are inspection, mortgage, and appraisal contingencies. If the inspection report comes back and there's too much going on with the property and you don't want to deal with all the issues that it has, or if anything out of your control causes you not to get financing, or if the appraisal comes in too low, you can back out as long as you do so within the allotted time. There are deadlines for everything in a real estate contract, and meeting those deadlines are extremely important. You can lose your deposit if you breach a contract by backing out after a deadline. Again, this is a deposit that's going to be applied as a credit at settlement. So for example, if you have $8,000 in settlement charges and you made a $2,000 escrow deposit, you're going to need the remaining $6,000 to cover settlement costs when you go to the closing table. Okay, well, that pretty much sums everything up, everything you need to know about escrow deposits. I know my videos are boring. These are not the most entertaining topics. If you made it this far enough to make it to the end of the video, you're 100% in research mode. So let me know if this was helpful by typing helpful in the comments. I would really appreciate your feedback and would help motivate me to continue making more content. As always, I'm available to help guide you through your real estate journey, so reach out so we can talk about the possibility of working together. Till next time. Bye.